Recently, Google dropped Gemma 4 12 billion parameters model, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can run it locally with Ollama and if it's actually usable on a simple laptop with 8 GB of VRAM. And if you are ready, then let's get started. What is Gemma 4 12 billion parameters? It is a DeepMind's open model family built for reasoning, coding, agentic workflows, and multimodal use cases. The 12 billion version is especially interesting because it sits in that sweet spot, powerful enough to be useful, but still small enough to run locally on many modern machines. So what we are going to do next, we will try this model with Ollama. Ollama is one of the easiest ways to run open models locally. I'm using Linux and Terminal. Everything works for Mac and Windows as well. So first of all, we need to set up Ollama. In order to do that, simply copy this command. The installation could take a couple of minutes. After that, let's go back to Ollama.com website, and now we need to find Gemma 4 12 billion parameters model. In order to do that, go to the model menu, then type Gemma 4, then click on Gemma 4, and in the list find 12 billion parameter model. If you're using Mac, you can use this MLK models, but if you're using Windows or Linux, use this Gemma 4 12b. After that, copy this command. Then go back to the terminal and paste this command. This one command download the model and then we'll launch it inside your terminal. It also gives you a local API, so later you can connect your model to apps. If you're interested about it, please watch my full tutorial about Ollama. Okay, let's wait for the installation. Okay, the installation is completed and now we can try the model. What I'm going to do now, I will ask this model to create for us a simple to-do web application. Just keep in mind, this model can't create for you the application. It can gives you just the code that you can copy and paste to different files and then run the application. If you actually want to build something with Gemma 12 billion parameter models, it's also possible. We can use Codex or Claude for that. And if you're interested about this, please let me know in the comments below and I will create a video about it. Okay? Gemma almost finished. All I need to do right now, copy the code, save it in the correct files, and then test the application in the browser. So let me speed up video a little bit and see what the result we get. And here we go. This is our simple web to-do application. Let me add a task. Seems everything is working. This is the task list. I can add, edit, and remove the tasks from the list. It doesn't have database, but simple functionality is there. It took for me about 10 minutes, but it's definitely much faster than previous models. So let's check the last thing, cutoff date of this model. I'm going to use my favorite prompt. What is the latest version of iPhone? Now we can see cutoff date is January 2025 and spot it in the thinking output. So it is not up to date, but pretty close to the reality. And that's probably it. You can see everything is working fine. Test this model with images. Your computer is powerful enough. Everything should be pretty fast. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Share with me your feedback and I will try to improve my future videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much for your support and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.